Alright, this was actually came from America, but I mean it's a China-made Stihl, but actually ordered it from America. It's going to be the 070. Apparently the 070 and the 090 are very similar, so this is going to be the complete saw, which I'm going to do a video on. So I'm going to be opening up the contents and just seeing what's inside. It did cost $399, but I wanted to saw that would run the 4-foot bar that I got, so this is what I wanted to get. By the way, Stihl's this is Stihl's biggest saw. The comparable saw nowadays is the MS3. Is it the 388, which is the cost about $1,800? So I think I'm getting that number wrong. I'll look that up. All right, so let's see what we've got here. Wow, that is huge. Just so that you get kind of a an idea of, here's my stove right here, and so it's about a quarter of the way. That's just the cover itself. And they did send me a parts list. Oh my goodness, oh, those are huge. Let me get the tape measure actually. Wow, almost 8 inches. Let's see what we got in here. What is that? Now, I'm probably gonna buy original rubbers. Wow. Due to the my experience that the rubber that comes out of China just doesn't hold up, even to the non-ethanol gas that I use. What is that? That is odd. But here's all the rubbers. I think here's all the gaskets, maybe. See, screws. Oh, all the screws look to be in there. Oh my goodness. That is huge. And it's 10 inches. Oh. That was a big recoil. Trigger. Well, that's just the recoil unit. Some more screws. Yep, there's a loose one right in there. Oh wow. There's a sight glass on it. And this is a big Tillotson carburetor. Stihl will not sell that. They sell the parts for it because it doesn't meet the EPA requirements. They've already told me that. There's the big heavy-duty clutch. This is, I think it's going to be a what is it, the 404? Oh, where do we have a spark plug? Yeah. Oh, that's there for. It looks like carburetor parts. I wonder if they put enough stuff to build a carburetor. Let's see. Okay, that's gonna be the ignition stuff. Here we have the crankcase unit. My goodness. Wow, that is huge. Okay, we've got we're gonna have an outside vacuum system here. And I think this is going to be maybe our fuel area right here, so that's going to probably increase the fuel flow, the pressure, kind of like another external fuel pump. It's about 14 inches long. And then this system has, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 bearings on the inside of here. And then, my goodness, this is, you can see the copper line for the, wow. And you see that big impulse line right there. And we got the handle. So what is this? Okay, wow, this is going to be the actual magneto. Okay, we got the gaskets down here at the bottom. That's that interesting looking muffler. Wow. The air filter. The gaskets. And here's our, let's see this big guy right here. Oh my. My goodness. That is huge. Let's see what it says it is in terms of size. Now they are saying the ST070 58 millimeter. I gotta see what this is. Okay, this is our crank right here. And it's very long on both sides. As you can see though, it had all those bearings that were in there. So, in their roller bearings, it might not even have, well, I think this does have some seals that will be added, but it will have should have a good seal. So that's our, and this actually says, what does it say on there? Rocket. Maybe this is actually a decently made crankshaft. Had problems with the little Stihl in the aftermarket crankshafts. So, and this is our ignition. And probably, I'm hoping that they've done away with any kind of point system. That it's all going to be solid state. That's an interesting. Let's see, it's going to the coils and then the kill switch. gonna be fun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those rubber parts to the Stihl shop, and I'm gonna try to order those so we can get